Today we will see the important features of a fish belonging to the genus Heteropneustes. Its older name was Sacobranchus. It is a member of phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, division Gnathostomata, superclass Pisces and class Osteichthyes. So this is the Heteropneustes fish. Now coming to its important features. This is also called as the stinging catfish or fossil cat. It is a species of air sac catfish. And why it is called a catfish? It is because of the presence of these barbels. The presence of barbels give the name a catfish. Now, this is a bottom dwelling fish which is a freshwater form found in freshwaters of India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Myanmar and Bhutan. Its habitat includes ponds, ditches, swamps and marshes, and sometimes they are also seen in muddy waters. Another peculiarity is that it can tolerate slightly brackish water also, which consists of salt content. So, a slight salinity can also be tolerated by this fish. In Kerala, it is locally called as Kadu or Kari. Now, coming to the external morphology, the bodies are elongated and the head is compressed. The head is depressed. So, body is streamlined and compressed, laterally compressed, but the head is greatly depressed, and the skin is slimy and scaleless. The head, you can see it is dorso-ventrally flattened. The head is dorso-ventrally flattened, but the tail and the trunk are laterally compressed. The tail and the trunk show side to side flattening, but the head is dorso-ventrally flattened and it is depressed also, and it can grow to a length of around 30 centimeters. And it is characterized by the presence of 4 pairs of barbels, which are sensitive structures. The head bears a mouth, a terminal mouth, and which is bordered by jaws, and the jaws bear sharp teeth. And since it is a bony fish, the gills are covered by a gill cover or an operculum. So, bony fishes have a gill cover or an operculum, which is absent in cartilaginous fishes. Then they have got long air sacs. That is another feature. So, they are gill breathing, as well as they have got accessory respiratory organs which are called as air sacs, which will serve as lungs that extend from the gill chamber. So, we will go to them. The air sacs. Look. So, these are the gills. There will be a gill cover here, which is the operculum. These are the barbels, and this is the air sac. This is the tubular air sac of Heteropneustes. So, it can be considered as an additional respiratory organ or an accessory respiratory organ, or it will act as a lung. That means the gills take up oxygen present in water, but the air sacs take up oxygen present in the air. That means they are able to breathe from both water and air. So, the presence of this air sac gives them an accessory mode of respiration, an additional mode of respiration. That means they can also breathe air. So, their long air sacs serve as a lung that extends from the gill chamber, and these accessory respiratory organs help the fishes in times of critical air supply. So, they act as a backup supply for air, which will allow the fish to breathe in water and also when it is out of water. So, air sacs are purely meant for the survival of the fish. So, the tubular air sac is a characteristic feature of this Heteropneustes. Then coming to the fin system. So, you can see the dorsal fin, the caudal fin or the tail fin, the anal fin. These are median fins, unpaired median fins, the anal fin, the tail fin and the dorsal fin. And this is the pectoral fin and this is the pelvic fin. So, these two are paired fins, will be there on the other side also. So, this is pectoral and this is the pelvic fin. The dorsal fin you can see is short and it is devoid of any spine. It does not have spine. The anal fin is larger. The largest of all fins is anal fin. The tail fin is round and homocircle. That means both the lobes are similar. They are both symmetrical. That is why it is said to be homocircle, and it is rounded also. But coming to the pectoral fin. The pectoral fin is having strong and sharp spines, and these spines are associated with a venom gland. So with the help of these spines, the fish can deliver painful stings to even humans, to other organisms and even to humans. So the fish is considered very dangerous because of the painful sting it inflicts with the help of these sharp spines which are present on the pectoral fin. And this fish is an important component of local commercial fisheries. It is an edible fish. It is also farmed in aquaculture systems, and it is found in the aquarium trade also. So it is a commercially important edible fish, and the characteristic feature is the presence of an accessory respiratory organ. Here the tubular air sac which are paired, which extend from the gill chambers. You can see they are extending from the gill chambers, and it extends up to the tail, and they are seen on either side of the vertebral column. So these are some of the characteristic features of Heteropneustes.